Texting gets 6 times more engagement than emails, which is vital when you need to amplify your client's message in an effective, convenient, and affordable way. With our agency partner program and managed accounts tools, your agency can expect to expertly manage multiple accounts for a variety of businesses, integrate text marketing seamlessly into ongoing omnichannel campaigns, and offer clients a powerful mobile marketing brand boost, all at an affordable price, which is critical in helping your client's message cut through the noise to achieve meaningful growth. Because texts have vastly higher open rates than emails, 98% versus 18%, and 70% of texts are engaged within the first 5 minutes. This is why texting attracts new leads more efficiently and effectively than traditional marketing channels, which have become unreliable and cluttered. Quickly grow marketing lists with customized keywords. Use your keywords to create segmented lists for better lead attribution. Nurture leads with personalized comms, mobile coupons, and event reminders. Uniquely targeted to your preferred audience, texting delivers the most bang for your advertising budget and a guaranteed ROI. Experience the power of SMS and take your communication strategy to the next level with easy texting. Text agency to 858585 to see how it works.